So I wanted to talk about the changes I've made and the tuning I've made to my Nuda since I bought it. Clearly, you can see the titanium headers starting to get nice and blue. I've put a PCV5 in and put the Nuda on the dyno to configure it with the exhaust. And when I bought it, I already had the original Leo Vince exhaust. Of course, no baffle. Um, I also have the carbon fiber, few carbon fiber parts here, and the tank pad. I'm planning to get some more, but not sure what to do. If it would be too much to do all the other panels, um, or exchange these matte black uh, covers to carbon fiber covers. I will put uh, some pictures of the diagrams I got from the dyno results. I think I had 106 horsepower before and after tuning 111, and a lot more torque in the low gears. Pretty happy with it. Maybe get some new mirrors. Thinking of the Rizoma mirrors. Not sure which ones yet. Yeah. Someone has any questions about the tuning process, I'll be happy to answer them. Also, in the description, I'll put a link to the dyno where uh, I got my Nuda on. Uh, for those that don't live in the Netherlands, it's gonna be hard to get there, I think, but yeah. Another thing I had issues with when I bought it, a lot of these bolts were rusting, especially this one and these two in the front. I got them changed, so that's good. You can see these are all new, looking very tight. A few are left, I think. You can see here on the radiator, but that's something for later, or maybe for when I change the radiator. Yeah, let's give it another fire up.